Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by preparing the device and diving into settings. Unlock your phone, make sure it has power, and tap settings without delay. Once you're in settings, scroll to the emergency or emergency SOS entry. This is the control hub. You do this first so you don't trigger an alert mid-change. Tap the emergency SOS menu and make sure you understand current toggles before changing them. That prevents accidental dialing as you proceed to the next steps. You now change the specific options that cause automatic emergency calls. Find and disable auto call or call with hold. This stops immediate dialing when buttons are pressed. Next, turn off the shortcut that triggers SOS from pressing the side button 5 times or from holding volume buttons. That's often the crucial fix. Once done, inspect additional toggles like wrist detection or fall detection if present, and make sure they are set to your preference so the device no longer initiates SOS without your intent. Finish by verifying your changes and troubleshooting if necessary. You should test by pressing the side and volume buttons as you would normally. Confirm no call is placed. If SOS still activates, reboot the device and recheck settings. Sometimes a restart applies changes. If the problem persists, update the operating system or reset emergency settings to defaults. These steps clear stubborn glitches. Finally, contact official device support before disabling safety features permanently, because they can protect you in real emergencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.